Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the split screen on your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the split screen on your Microsoft Edge browser on the computer. So you just have this option. So for an example, I just want to click this on the top. You can see this option called split screen. Just click this. So now you just open the tab here. So here I'm just going to open Microsoft 365, and here I just open Vault Mode. So you can just browse on the both side. For an example, here also you can just browse. You can just close it by clicking on the close the split screen option, and just click on the add new screen. Now you just can type whatever you just needed. For an example, here I'm just going to type as Google and just search it here. So I just need to have a split screen. Just click on this, which will ask you to which screen should be placed here. Just click this, and you can just randomly use the split screen on the both side on your Microsoft Edge on your computer. So it's easy and make your work simple. For example, if here you can just play a YouTube video, and here you can just browse it. So it's simple to have a comparison and make a split screen better. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.